Hello everyone, this is Shai with you. And in this video, we are going to be talking about an important concept of the market, and which is distinguishing the market into responsive activities and initiative activities. And initiative activities and traders, who initiate activities are the dominant parties of the market, and they create price waves or price moves. And responsive activity is the market activity coming to a halt after a biggish kind of a move. So we classify as a big move coming upwards as starting with an RB or a responsive buying pattern, moving to an IB, which is an initiative buying pattern. If this IB is met with another IB, the market continues upwards and it keeps going up till it continues to meet IBs. The market stops going up when it sees an RS or a responsive selling pattern, and the market moves to the opposite side where it meets an IS or an initiative selling pattern. So the wave to the upside is always an RB. IB stops at an RS and ends with an IS. A wave to the downside begins with an RS, a responsive seller, gets momentum with an IS, an initiative seller, gets further momentum with the appearance of another IS, and if the momentum has to stop, then there has to be an RB at the bottom, and an IB confirms the end of that up of that down move. Right now, this RB, IB, RS, and the IS concept is fully explained in our order flow, and it is automated for all of us over here. So whenever you see a big green bar, that is an initiative buyer appearing in the market. A further initiative buyer or a green candle coming will tell you that there is a new momentum in the market, and if the market has to pull back, that particular zone will also end up as having new demand and the market would continue upwards, right? So this IB is continue developing till you get an IS. Since there is no IS over here, you can see that the wave is continuing and the market continues to get RBs and IBs further, and it continues to go up. The wave is ended when it sees an IS, initiative selling, and now we don't want to do anything with this market over here. The appearance of a new IS, like over here, this is a new IS and this will show up as a purple bar on your charts. This tells you that the up move has ended in the order flow, and now the seller is taken over, and the appearance of an IS will tell you that the market has started to reverse, and you can look at further downsides in the market through watching a lot more ISSs coming in, right? So it's a simple principle of the order flow. Keep looking for pink bars and green bars and red bars and purple bars, okay, and that is the initiative sellers which are coming in, and they will keep telling you whether the market is being dominated by buyers or sellers. So whenever an IS bar comes in, you have to pay attention to the market. So this is an example of an IS bar coming into the market, and you can make it out at the very top. It says initiative seller, and this tells you now this is a time to either short futures or buy puts into the market. And this market keeps dropping because there is no further IB coming in to arrest the market's downfall, right? So further IS, this stopped over here, and IS IBs have come in towards the close. The last 15 minutes are not that important, but during the day keep an eye out for IBs and ISSs, and they will tell you a lot more about what can possibly happen in the market.